Introducing the Roma XL, big brother of the Roma. Manufactured by Luz Negra, in high-purity anodized aluminum, it has a 25% wider design. This produces broader light projection, and allows for wider, more powerful LED strips, or even two 8mm strips. The Roma XL is a surface profile, and works well on walls, ceilings, furniture, shelves and more. It's available in black and silver, but we can powder coat to any desired color. With a 10-year guarantee, and a 5-star rating on our site, you can buy with confidence. When it comes to diffusers for the Roma XL, we have a wide range of options. The Easy On range gives it an IP65 rating, so this is a good choice for outdoor applications. To help you choose the right option, we've done a quick comparison and test with our spectrometer. Before we get started, let's stick some of our white iris strip into the Roma XL. For your large projects, we supply the diffuser in bulk rolls. Easy peasy. Let's get testing. The LEDs shine at 28,000 lumens without diffusion. First up is the transparent variant from the Easy On range. It has the highest light transmission, at 93%, but is prone to spotting. Moving on to the frosted diffuser, we have 75% transmission, with barely visible spotting. The opal variant emits 65%, and produces beautiful, evenly diffused light. Black emits only 30%, giving the light a warm glow. Take a look at the diffusers with the LEDs off. An advantage of the black diffuser is the aesthetic without light. The transparent diffuser shines at 23,200 lumens. Frosted at 19,100. Opal is 16,900. And black measures as 7,940 lumens. Now let's test the square diffusers. These are set further from the strip, therefore they emit less light, but give a more even diffusion. Frosted comes in at 14,600 lumens. Black measures to 3,720. This wing diffuser reduces the angle of light projection, for a more focused luminaire. It's great for desks and kitchen islands. The spectrometer measures its brightness as 14,400 lumens. Leaving the Easy On range, we have the ARLS flexible diffuser. It has a rubbery texture and is walk safe, for when you want to recess the Roma into a floor. The spectrometer measures 5,200 lumens. We can cut the Roma XL to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Roma XL. The profile can be mounted by drilling holes through the back, and adding screws. Otherwise you can use these mounting clips, allowing you to take down the whole light fixture, for repairs and maintenance. Attach end caps with this sealant, to complete the IP65 rating. You can get them with a hole for wiring, just be sure to fill the hole with sealant. Create pendant light fixtures with the Roma XL by combining it with this hanging kit. It's available in silver and black, so you can match it to your profile. Save time on site with pre-built corners. If you're interested in using the Roma XL for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.